Lite 10 version 10 beta 1 is the beta preview of our upcoming Lite 10 version 10. Lite 10 version 10 is the best Windows Lite we ever made. There are minimal apps, stock UI, Microsoft Store, and much more. We kept the original UI and it's not been touched as most Windows Lite OS has modified UI. We didn't add any apps or tools as most Windows Lite OS has added tools or apps to remove/add things. Download link coming soon. Note: Lite 10 version 10 beta 1 is a beta release of Lite 10 version 10, so you may experience some bugs and broken apps and more issues. If you want to report a bug, then we have a Discord server so you can report these bugs. We want to make Project Windows Lite great. Join our Discord server now.